Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix webcam lag in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you have OBS running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your video and audio inputs are listed. Right-click on your webcam source in this panel, and from the context menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window where you can adjust all the specific settings for your webcam. In the Properties window, you'll see a button labeled Configure Video. Click on it to access the advanced camera settings. This is where you can make adjustments that directly affect how your webcam captures and processes video, which is crucial for reducing lag. Once the configuration window opens, look at the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Camera Control tab. This tab contains important settings that can significantly impact your webcam's performance. Here, you need to locate the Low Light Compensation option. Make sure this checkbox is unchecked. Low light compensation can cause lag because it forces your camera to work harder in processing the image, especially in darker environments. After unchecking it, click Apply to save this change. Then click OK to close this window. Now you're back in the Properties window. Navigate to the Resolution/FPS type option. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Custom from the list. This gives you manual control over your webcam's output settings rather than relying on automatic detection, which can sometimes cause performance issues. Next, look for the resolution setting. Right beside it, there's a text field where you can manually enter your desired resolution. For instance, type 1280x720 if you want a balance between quality and performance, or 1920x1080 only if your PC can handle the higher resolution without performance drops. Choosing the right resolution is key because a resolution that's too high for your system can be the main cause of webcam lag. Below the resolution setting, you'll see the FPS option. Make sure Match Output FPS is selected here. This ensures your webcam frame rate syncs perfectly with your OBS output settings, eliminating any timing issues that could cause stuttering or lag. Once you've made these adjustments, click OK to save all your changes and close the Properties window. There's one more important thing to check outside of OBS settings. Make sure your webcam is plugged into a USB 3.0 port on your computer. USB 2.0 ports don't have enough bandwidth to handle high-quality video smoothly, which often results in lag and stuttering. USB 3.0 ports are typically marked with blue coloring inside the port or have an SS symbol next to them. And that's it. You've successfully optimized your webcam settings in OBS to eliminate lag. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.